In this video I'm going to show you how to capture a digital signature in Google Sheets. So what we will do, we will enter a digital signature into this sheet. Now for the next step we need to go to Insert, make sure you have one ready in your documents or your files, and after that go to Images under Insert and then Insert Image over Cells. So select this one, after that click on Browse, and now you are able to select a signature. For this one I will scroll a little bit down and I have one ready over here. So we will open it and after that we can show you how it works. So if you select the image, the signature, then you can drag the corners to make it smaller and fit into your overview. And once you have decided to place it, then it's ready to view. Now you have successfully captured a digital signature into your Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!